Okay, now this is example number 14. If sine of a plus b equal to 1 and cos of a minus b equal to root 3 by 2 and condition 0 degrees less than a plus b less than or equal to 90 degrees and a greater than b. So actually both are acute angles only. Means both means the sum of these two, and in that a is greater than b. Okay. And we find the a and b. So for that we can use these two equations, right? What is that first equation? Sine of a plus b equal to 1 and sine 90 degrees equal to 1. Then write here sine 90. Now a plus b equal to 90 degrees, equation number 1. And coming to second equation, what is that? Cos of a minus b equal to root 3 by 2. So root 3 by 2 in cosine means 30 degrees. So right here cos 30. Cos means cosine. Okay. Now a minus b equal to, what is that? 30 degrees. This is equation number 2. So by solving 1 and 2 we get a and b values. Okay. Now right here from equations 1 and 2 we get, how to write that? A plus b equal to 90. That is the first equation. And second one is a minus b equal to 30. By adding these two, plus b minus b gets cancelled. And here a plus a, that is 2a. 90 plus 30 equal to 120 degrees. Now what is the value of a? 120 divided by 2, that equal to 60 degrees. Now substitute a value either in equation 1 or in equation 2. Okay. But now I am substituting in equation number 1 only. So just write here, put a equal to 60 degrees in equation number 1. We get, how to write it? A means 60 degrees plus b that side 90 degrees. If we write plus 60 that side, we get minus 60, right? Then here we get only b, that is 90 minus 60 equal to 30 degrees. This is the value of b. So a equal to 60, b equal to 30. That is the answer. Okay, this is example number 15. If theta is an acute angle and the sin theta equal to cos theta, find the value of 2 tan square theta plus sin square theta minus 1. And by using this equation, we find theta value. Once if you get theta, if you find theta, then directly we can substitute theta value in this place and in this place, then we can simplify and finally we get the answer. Simple question. So first take that equation. What is that? Given that sin theta equal to cos theta. Now dividing by cos theta on both sides. Otherwise, if you want, you can divide by sin theta on both sides. Then also no problem. You get same answer. Okay. And how to write it? Sin theta divided by cos theta. That side cos theta divided by cos theta. What is sin by cos? Tan. So it is tan theta equal to 1. So 1 means tan 45 degrees. Now what is the value of theta? Theta equal to 45 degrees. 45 means less than 90, so it is an acute angle. Okay. Now what is the required value here? 2 tan square theta plus sin square theta minus 1. So 2 into what is theta? Theta is 45. Tan square means just like tan 45 degrees whole power 2. And coming to second one, sin 45 again whole power 2. So minus 1. So 2 into it is 1 square. And sin 45 is 1 by root 2. Then 1 by root 2 whole square. Then minus 1. So here it is 2 and 1 square means 1, root 2 whole square means 2, minus 1. So 2 minus 1 is 1 plus 1 by 2. Now LCM is 2. So cross multiplication, 1 into 2 is 2, then plus 1. So 2 plus 1 is 3. So 3 by 3 is the answer. Okay. Now this is example number 16. Given that sine of a plus b equal to sine a cos b plus cos a sin b, find the value of sine 75 degrees. So in that, we know very well about the value of sine 30, cos 30, sine 45, cos 45, correct? Huh? So that 75 can be written as 30 plus 45 or 40 plus 35. Okay. Now what I am doing, just I am taking like this, put a equal to 30 and b equal to 45. Then we get a plus b equal to 75. Otherwise write a equal to 45, b equal to 30 also. In that case also we get same answer. Got it my point? Now how to write a sine of 30 plus 45 and the sine here means sine 30. If you want just write in degree form, okay. Cos b means what is that? Cos 45 plus cos a cos 30, sine b sine 45. And the sine of 30 plus 45 is 75. So it is sine 75 degrees. And sine 30 is 1 by 2. Cos 45, 1 by root 2. Cos 30, root 3 by 2. Again sine 45, 1 by root 2. Clear? 1 into 1 is 1. 2 into root 2 means 2 root 2. Plus root 3 into 1 is root 3. Na? Again it is 2 root 2. Now LCM is 2 root 2. And how to write it? 1 plus root 3. Or same value can be written as root 3 plus 1 divided by 2 root 2 also. That is the answer. Our example number 17. ABC is a right triangle, comma right angle at C. If A equal to 30 degrees and AB equal to 40 units, find the remaining two sides and angle P of triangle ABC. Remaining two sides means one side is given AB. Now we find AC and BC or BC and AC, and at the same time we find angle B also. Okay. Now this is the given right angle triangle. What is my point? And here it is right angle at C. Suppose if we take C here, then write here A and here B. Otherwise here A and here B. And angle A is given, what is that? 30 degrees. Na? And how much it is? 90. Correct? So 90 plus 30, 120. Total sum is 180. 180 minus 120 equal to 60 degrees is the value of the angle B. Okay, but that is last one. We'll write it later. And one more value is given. What is that? AB is given. What is the value of AB? It is 40 units. And by using Pythagoras theorem and this acute angle here, we can find remaining two sides. It's very simple. Now what I am doing, just I am going to take sine 30 degrees. If you take sine 30, that can be written as opposite side divided by, what is that? Hypotenuse. Na? Opposite side means BC divided by this one. And sine 30 is 1 by 2. By using that, we can find that BC value. It's very clear, right? And now see here, what is the given condition? Triangle ABC. Here, right angle at C, and given that angle A equal to 30 degrees and AB equal to, what is that? 40 units. That is the given data. And what we are doing here, just I am taking sine 30 degrees. Okay. That is the meaning of sine A. If you want, just write here sine A equal to sine 30. It is not required because angle A equal to 30. Na? If you want, you can write it. And how to write sine? That is opposite side divided by hypotenuse, right? So which is the opposite side here? BC. Na? In this triangle. So here this is angle A. Na? Opposite to adjacent to hypotenuse. Now opposite means BC. Divided by hypotenuse or hypotenuse AB. Now what is the value of BC? We don't know about that. So write as it is. And coming to everybody, that 40 here. And here, sine 30 means how much? 1 by 2, right? So direct you can write that value. Okay. And equal to BC divided by 40. Now BC equal to 1 into 40 is 40 divided by 2. That can be written as 20 units. So which value it is? That is BC. So BC means that this is the value. And we want this one. What is that? AC. But how to find AC? How to find AC? There are two ways. One is about if you take cos 30, for that adjacent side divided by hypotenuse. Otherwise, if you take tan 30, what is that? Opposite side divided by adjacent side. You can use either cos or tan. Okay. But what I am doing, I am taking tan. Tan A. Again, it is tan 30. Then tan 30 equal to what is that tan? Tan. Opposite side divided by adjacent side. What is that opposite side? BC na? And adjacent side means AC na? Now what is the value of BC 20 here? And it is same. Okay. And what is the value of tan 30? 1 by root 3 na? And here 20 divided by AC. Now 1 into AC equal to AC. And that equal to 20 into root 3 units. So now this is the value of AC. So here it is BC. And here it is AC. Now 2 are over there. Now we want angle B. So how to write angle B? For that, do one thing, right? Angle A plus angle B plus angle C equal to how much? 180 degrees. And what is the value of angle A? Given value 30. Correct? And angle B is the unknown value. And coming to this angle C, how much it is? What is the value of angle C? Angle C means that is right angle triangle. Na? C is right angle. Right angle means how much? 90 degrees. So write here 90 degrees. Then equal to 180 degrees. 30 plus 90 is 120. So angle B plus 120 degrees equal to how much? 180 degrees. Therefore, angle B equal to 180 degrees minus 120 equal to how much? 60. So this is the answer of angle B.